Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure voltage. In this case, voltage from this power outlet in this case. The first step is connect the test probe, are this, to the digital multimeter in this way. Connect the black inside this port. This is the common port. Now connect the red inside this point. Voltage, ohms, milliamps. This is for measure voltage. Now set up the digital multimeter. This is very easy. In this case, we are going to choose alternate current voltage. This mode is from this point to this point. In this case, I don't know the voltage inside this power outlet, and I recommend choose 750 volts. This is the higher voltage inside this mode. Now move the selector and ready. Now our digital multimeter is ready to measure voltage. The next step is take the power outlet and take the test probe and introduce the test probe inside this and inside this in this way. And now watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, I have 107 volts. This means this voltage is below of normal voltage. This means we have a problem in the voltage from this power outlet because this voltage is very low. The normal voltage here in the country that I am is 110 or 120 is the normal voltage. But in this case, this voltage, 107, is below of 110 or 120 volts. This means we have a problem in the voltage inside this power outlet. If you want to watch this number after disconnect this from this, press this key. This is the hold key. This is like a screenshot to this screen. Now disconnect and the number is on the screen. If I press again the hold key, erase the number. And now we are watching the real voltage in this moment, 0. And in this way, you can use a digital multimeter like this to measure voltage from a power outlet like this to know if the voltage is okay or not, is good or not. In this case, we have low voltage from this power outlet. This is a little problem house electric system. And thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and share this video. Give me a like and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.